Hey everyone, Matt here at Total Package Detailing, working on this green Jeep. As you can see, if we look up close here, we have these little rusted sections in different parts. So what we're actually going to do here is drill these out. I got my little drill here, and slowly but surely, we're going to take out this cavity. So it's kind of like doing a root canal on your teeth. You want to clean out all the decay. And you can see that one kind of shot upward there, so we're going to clean that up a little bit up there too. Also got it in this corner here. Now we're going to take some of our panel prep solution, spray that on there, and now we have the bare metal. So from here we're going to build it back up and get some paint on it so that it doesn't corrode. All right, so now we're going to take and fill it in. And what I'm going to try to do is flow it into the very top, like that. Once I float it, I'm going to try to grab it. There's that one. That probably looks perfect on camera, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to try to flow the bottom. And then there's another really tiny one way up underneath there. So we're gonna get that.
You're good.
And there we go. And as always, you know where to find us at 920-450-2085 or visit us online at totalpackagedetailing.com.